I bought these sandbags that are used purposely for being able to hold umbrella bases on. I have this cantilever umbrella that I really love, but it didn't come with a base. So I had to be able to get these sandbags here. And one thing that I find that's really cool about it is they have a contour to be able to go around the pole. They have Velcro on them so that the two different bases, two different sections can actually Velcro together so that they stay in place. And because it's also Velcro, I can go through and move them around. I filled them up with sand from my kids' playground, and so far they're doing a good job. Really easy to be able to fill. They have a big zipper on them, a big heavy-duty zipper. They have two big handles on them as well. So go through here, we'll take the zipper, we'll open this one up so you can kind of see what it looks like, what it has here. So there's the full of sand, big heavy duty zipper on it though, from be able to keep it closed and secure. Big nice handles on it so that if you pre-fill it and then have to transport it somewhere, easy to be able to carry. I did transport them after I filled them to be able to bring them here. Really heavy duty nylon construction with the strapping and the ties all together here. So I'm really excited to be able to have these in place. Because I filled them with sand, you can also kind of move them around where you want them. This base here, a little bit different just because it has an X pattern, and sometimes you might buy these for ones that has more of a big flat square base, but either way it will work on both. So if you have a square base, these will work. If you have this X base, it'll work. That is a nice solution for you where you get the option of both in one item. That is really nice. All right, the true test here. Will these bags hold with the cantilever umbrella fully open? I think it will. Crank this thing open, and to give it some extreme conditions here, I'll even push on it. They don't move. You can see that they really secure it very nicely. I am really impressed with these. In the sunlight, we'll see how they do long term, but so far, I'm really excited about having these because now I can actually use this cantilever umbrella. I love it. I know you will as well.